Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some drills you can do to really work on increasing that punch speed. A couple things you want to keep in mind. The first one is the distance. When you're going for speed, the shorter the distance, the faster you can strike. Striking from here or here is a lot different and takes a lot more time. So you're doing a lot of speed, you want to go quick, short burst. The next one is you got to stay loose, guys. If you're hard and stiff, you can try to get that powerful punch, or you're going to lose the speed. Speed's all about being loose and fast. You tighten up the last 6 inches when you put the power in it. So the other principle that you need to do is really work on that hip rotation, okay? The power comes from your hip and the speed. So if I'm going to strike, here the hip goes first and drives the punch. So it's like this. And then the most important principle I'm going to show you guys is the reciprocal rotation. So as one punch goes out, when the hand that is retreating should go back faster than the hand that goes out. So it's like a back and forth. I'm going to start slow, and I'm going to gradually increase speed, and you'll see how the reciprocal motion can build on each other. Okay? Using that reciprocal motion can help you generate a lot of power and a lot of fast strikes. So one of the drills I'm going to give you is you're first going to work with the upper hand, doing those rotations like this. Work on that hip rotation here. Okay? And then the second drill, you're just going to add your feet to it. Your feet are going to go like this. Like you're doing a shuffle, just like in football, guys, right? Like that, okay? So let's do the arms, and then we'll incorporate the feet. Now the feet. So work on it. It's a really great cardiovascular workout, and hope it helps you with your punches. Take care. Until next time.